morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, March 4th. The euro traded a tad higher against the US dollar and closed at 1.1179. Data revealed that retail sales in Germany jumped 2.9% on a monthly basis, marking a 7-year high in January, higher than market expectations for a rise of 0.4%. Other economic data showed that the Producer Price Index, the PPI, in the Eurozone eased 0.90% MOM in January, while markets were anticipating the index to fall 0.70%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1144, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1117. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1208, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1246. Trading trends on a euro today are expected to be determined by the Markit Services PMI data from the Eurozone and its peripheries scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, investors would pay close attention to the US ISM non-manufacturing composite PMI data scheduled later today. The British pound traded a tad higher against the US dollar and closed at 1.5364. Britain's Markit construction PMI surprisingly surged to a 4-month high level of 60.1, notching its 22nd consecutive month of expansion in February, while market expectations were for it to drop to a reading of 59.0. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5333, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5311. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5389, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5423. Trading trends on the pound today are expected to be determined by UK's Markit Services PMI data scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar weakened 0.42% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.69. Early morning data showed that Japan's Markit Services PMI fell into contraction territory after registering a level of 48.5 in February. The pair is expected to find support at 119.37, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 119.1. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.93, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.21. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.73% against the US dollar to close at 0.7816. Yesterday, the AIG Performance of Services Index in Australia rose to 51.70 in February. Early morning data showed that Australia's GDP climbed 0.50% on a quarterly basis in the fourth quarter 2014, as markets were expecting it to expand 0.6%. Elsewhere in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the HSBC Markit Services PMI advanced to 52 in February. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7775, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7731. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7855, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7890. Going forward, investors await Australia's retail sales data scheduled tomorrow. Gold prices traded lower by 0.11% against the US dollar at $1204.60 per ounce, on the back of a robust German retail sales data that indicated that the euro economy was reviving, thus reducing the precious metal's safe haven appeal. Meanwhile, holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust declined to 769.49 tons yesterday from its previous close of 771.25 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1199.93, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1193.86. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1213.23, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1220.46. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.